Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Dzaky Robith, and today in this video I would like to explain about my topic. My topic is classroom discourse analysis model. So, any further ado, let's start it. Various models of classroom discourse have emerged, drawing on different linguistics and then ethnographic and psychological approaches. Some models are eclectic, using diverse methodologies to achieve educational research goals. One notable model is the Sinclair and Coulthard 1975 model, which describes teacher-pupil talk using hierarchy of discourse units. It suggests the classroom discourse typically follows a predictable structure, with a teacher initiation, a student response, and teacher feedback, or known as IRF or IRE. This model emphasizes the role of evaluation in teachers' feedback and highlight the constant assessment of student contributions. Each exchange in the classroom is seen as comprising a question, a response, and a follow-up more. Many scholars define critical discourse analysis in various different ways. According to Fanchi, 1997, critical discourse analysis is a type of discourse analytical research that primarily studies the way social power abuse dominance and then inequality are ended, reproduced, and resisted by text and talk in the social and political context. With such dissident research, critical discourse analysis take explicit position, and thus want to understand, expose, and ultimately resist social inequality. And then, similarly, Fairclough, 1999 defines critical discourse analysis as a description and interpretation of discourse in social context, as well as explanation of why and how discourse work. It is critical because it argues against a realist, natural, and rationalist view of the world. Instead, the role is to unclog the hidden power relation, largely constructed through language, and to demonstrate and challenge social inequities reinforced and reproduced. It is exploratory, descriptive, and explanatory of social projection and consumption of discourse. It is both multi and transdisciplinary in methodology to explaining social practice. It is thus an approach, methodology, and tool as well. And then we move to the critical discourse analysis. The definition of critical discourse analysis itself. It is an approach that will help us look deeper in exploring the intention contained in the word to be translated, by Fairclough, 1995. CDA is a point of view in which the language itself is understood as a representation that plays a role in shaping certain subjects, themes of particular discourse, and the strategies if it contains. And then CDA can be used as a critic of an oral or written text. CDA can also be used to build new power. new science, regulation, and normalization. Then, hegemony or influence of one nation to the nation another. Thank you. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.